What if you hit traffic?
Huh?
What if you hit traffic?
We don't hit traffic. Hello, Rob's daddy will hit you. Hello.
While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Today Tammy and I and the dog we're going to dogs. We're heading to our house, and which is exciting because of the dog. And I hope the weather today is nice. Today is Monday, and yeah, I hope it's nice today. What do you hear from the news?
Rain later.
The rain.
And Tuesday it'll rain all day.
Really?
You want to take 2 cars so that you have a car up there?
And who's gonna drive with the dog? Me?
I'll drive.
Huh?
I'll drive.
Why you need 2 cars?
This way when I leave, you have a car. I'm asking.
Yeah, just in case if there's interview. Just in case if there is interview.
In case anything, huh?
When I give her the card, she don't even look at me. I keep looking at her eyes because she give me a really bad look. I smile at her because it's funny that I have to rush like myself and then call you. When I give the card, she doesn't look at me. She just like grab the card like this, and then when she give me the card like that, like, you know, she doesn't even look at me, and then I keep looking at her. She's so unhappy. She's texting at work in the cashier, and then she do the egg. So when I walk fast to try to help her to do our thing, like pack it, I said very unhappy. Is it bad to say that? Not really. I just have to say it. Hi, Tommy.
Hi, hon.
You have hiccups, honey. You're still growing, hon.
Growing out. Stop growing up, now you just grow out.
Grow out. Guys, we have that belief that if you keep like that, hiccups, you're growing out. You're growing out.
So what you're telling me is nobody in the Philippines ever hiccups?
So that means we're all short, guys. No, you know, every hiccups, few little inches, few very, very tiny little So we have the belief. It's not a belief, guys. It's a
Well,
joke.
that's what it is. You need to drink soda because soda makes you hiccup. And
It's a joke. It's a joke.
We'll all exercise a little patience. 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 Patience.
You have to follow Mama. A lot of patience.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
Hi guys, we are ready to go and they're in the back. I'm waiting for Tommy. What are you getting over there?
You do the adapter.
Adapter of what?
The little plug. I know it was on the seat. I saw it like
Oh, it's right here. In here.
somewhere.
Oh, I'll get it. I'll get it. What is in here? Why you bring this? I thought Andrea have it.
What is it?
Oh, this is ours.
It's the mushrooms.
Probably. I don't put it under because it won't close. Okay, I'm gonna pick this shit out here. This one here. You ready, guys? Roxy?
Where's your GPS?
Huh?
Where's your GPS?
I don't need a GPS.
What if you hit traffic?
Huh?
What if you hit traffic?
We don't hit traffic.
Well, here's this. Where's the actual GPS?
Right here. Put that in your side somewhere because I have my camera.
Oh yeah, we don't want to interfere with the camera.
Oh yeah. Okay, are you ready, guys? Roxy is hopping and puffing and puffing and huffing. Seatbelt, Rama. What are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Go get him. Go get him. Oh, no brush. Missy monkey monkey.
Go sit down, guys.
Nothing. I'm just letting you know. In the refrigerator are 3 bags with sandwich pieces in them for lunch made. Like sandwiches made in the refrigerator. So I made 2 big heroes. I cut them into 4 pieces each, so there's like 8 pieces of hero in there. There's a box of salad with spring mix, which is what you like, in the refrigerator in the yellow bag. The salad. No, we're traveling. She is. I'm just holding on for my life. What? Wow, that's amazing. Not like that. 6 months ago, I was going across the train tracks. The train tracks, and the pig came running over, grabbed me, and dragged me off the train tracks just before the train would have hit me. Wow. And before that, you know, some coyotes came and they were attacking me. This pig came and like he protected me from them.
It's up and popping. I can hear. It's hot here. Can't find the thing, Rox. Do you wanna go out? Let's go out. Okay, go. Hold on. Hey. Roxy. Come here, let's go. Come here in. Come in. Come in. You're sliding. Guys, we can't find the collar to get rid of the ticks. Oh, it's right here, hon.
Where?
It's right here. Still in the box. Yeah. You have your new necklace, Rox. For the ticks, right? This is new. This is the thing, guys. For the ticks. This one right here. And this one is for beep beep. And Misty need one. Stay put, Roxy. Daddy won't try to hurt you. Good girl. That's my good girl. Oi. That's the best girl, Roxy.
One more.
On.
Come here, Rox. Come here. Sit.
Sit, Roxy. Sit. Good girl. You're a good girl. And then we go. Oh. Do you want to go? We're gonna go. Oh.
Garbage bag? A bag of garbage.
I have been taken by the words that you say. The voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we?
I put the thing outside, the cushion, because that we can sit out. It's really nice outside actually, but Tommy is in our neighbor right now. He's playing with the kids. Disney here. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Okay. I don't have the phone with me right now. Tommy have the phone.
That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Show you all the way. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all the ways.
Looks Daddy will hit you. Honey, you mean? No, she's huffing and puffing on. Go, Misty. Try to scare her, like move fast. No, move your foot fast, like try to hit her. They're not a bold dog. They don't like playing with the ball. Look at that. I'm going to get the bowl. Where's the bowl? It's right here. Come here. The bowl's right there. This is the tree. This tree is very pretty, guys.
The voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it. Can we ever be? That all depends
Misty, look.
on what you're
Look, guys.
feeling. Let me show you all the ways.
It's right. Look. Yeah, it's ready to bloom. It's ready, guys. Look at how pretty is this. It's ready. It's perfect weather today, guys. It's really perfect. Perfect. It's a perfect day today. Okay, we're going in. Let's go in. Come in. Me too. I just defrost the, how do you call that? The steak. And it's time for me to cut the baby Bella mushrooms. And also we get the doggy. Oh, I forgot to play with this with them. The bubble one for the dog. I can play bubble outside. I wash first. I'm washing first. I have to. We wash the mushroom because you know the mushroom always like have a soil. Roxy is always kind of sad every time we're here. She is sad. It's really nice. It's really nice outside here. I have my slipper here, yeah, flip-flops here, and I always take it off before going back to the other house. I take it off from where the thing over there in the hallway, where I put all the jacket and coat and stuff like that. I put it over there because there is a shoe rack I put there. So now only one is in here, the other one is gone. There's something, Roman. There's something in this house, guys. Han, can you just try to go outside, Han, and go to the garage? Try to tape that thing over there. Let's see if it's still gonna come off. The tip, the pad, the keypad. Try to tape it. Let's see if it's still gonna come off. Somebody is trying to get in here because that's impossible to open up with the wind.
It doesn't matter. They still need a key to get in the inside door. The inside door is locked down. And I would get the motion sensor that would tell me somebody got in.
Are you sure that you sure?
It tells me all the time. Maybe he's in a pile of dirty clothes somewhere, huh?
No.
Oh, it's down here in the middle of the hall. It's not in the closet.
It's upstairs also a lot.
It's so flat. It's leaking everywhere.
Yeah. I am just sauteing this onion and garlic. Why this one is not cut? I cut this in pieces. It's fine. Here is it, guys. I season it with salt and pepper and the calamansi sauce, calamansi juice, the Maggi Magic Sabor, Sarap, whatever, Sabor. Then, yeah, and then that's it. I'm just gonna saute this one and make it softer. Then you can see translucent or getting a little bit darker. I told Tommy, guys, I'm gonna drink some margarita while I'm cooking. Look at you guys. I really want this to keep cooking until there's no more juice. Oh, Tommy is having his black flag. What is that?
I'm gonna put it up here and get rid of the box.
Okay, I decided to have margarita. So I'm gonna have margarita, but you have to. Is that going to fit?
Tilt it.
No, this one won't.
No, but, well, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I can just drink that, hand.
No, it don't matter.
So, and then, guys, I'm going outside to heat the grill. Well, there is a charcoal, the one that very tiny that I got for Tommy.
See the dirt next to it?
Yeah.
On the stairs. Take it. If she does it again, you need to give her a shot. It might have a beep. And you need to tighten that collar.
We're doing barbecue, guys. Okay, I'm gonna have my scotch because I have the scotch over here. Are you following? That's scotch right there.
Scotch?
That's it, scotch over there. Just keep following me. No. Hey, baby. Why you're drooling? Her nose is dripping. Why is that? Is that normal? Did you see that little house over there? That's our shade. Small shades. And we can put stuff like small, like how is that, little more, you know, gardening tool stuff like that.
What? 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 You do what?
She's sad.
Oh, you hear noise.
She doesn't like to be here. I mean the travel.
You better get used to it, kid.
Yeah, the travel and being here, she kind of
Get used to
confused.
being here. Get used to it. This is where you're gonna be.
She's really kind of confused. Like, what the heck is going on right now? Why I keep coming back in this house? Like, and then grandma is not here. The cats are not here. And just me, Misty, all the time.
Come here.
Look at that. She's barking out. Like, what the heck is going on with your rocks? Misty is kind of just happy-go-lucky. And Daddy just kept going at her, to her. Be careful with your foot, hand, because there is nails in here. Okay, let's see with this grill thing. It need to be.
Drink your drink.
Huh?
Drink your drink.
I will drink my drink. Magawita. One steak, guys. I'm gonna have a little bit here. And I'm good.
You're gonna have it.
No,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no. And I want mine overcooked, so later on I'm gonna cut it when it's done. Wow, it burnt really fast, hon. Look, hon. That's not right.
The coals are too high.
Hmm?
The coals are too high. You should spread them out. They're too high, too close to the grill.
Okay, okay, can you hold? Get this. Guys, we're having dinner. But he stopped eating his dinner because he's grilling ribeye steak for the dog. It's ridiculous. But it's small ribeye, guys. It's not big. It's like round thing. But it's a... Tommy said, I know, every time I cook it, it's really tender. But it's ridiculous for the dog. So, Roxy, no?
Yes, she does.
And this Roxy, guys, is really smart.
I don't know how smart she is, but she knows.
Because Tommy said that the steak, Roxy knows that that steak out there is for them.
No, she doesn't know for them. She knows for her.
Really?
Just give her a chance. She's not sharing it with Misty.
Ribeye steak. So this is
Waiting, patience. Okay, the coals are running a little warm.
food is ready, guys. Dog food right here. Lucky dog.
Perfect.
Lucky dog. My family is starving in the Philippines. This dog have a ribeye. Are you serious?
There's something wrong with these dogs. Something wrong with me.
Yeah, it's you really. It's not the dog.
Yeah, I guess.
I am going upstairs. For sure this dog will follow me. Hold on. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. It is time check. It is 8:25 in the afternoon. In the evening actually. And okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Bri. Anak siya, han. Anak sa akong igagaw.